Good day to you all, anywhere you are right now across the world. This is Lasogenic Peace Talk. I welcome you all to this channel. Here, as you know, that I review online investment platform here, and I share with you my ideas on how to make some money for yourself online in the world of cryptocurrency, forex, and the likes. So, if you are new here or you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you once again. Feel free to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. Set it to all notification for you to be continually aware whenever I upload new video or whenever I have something spectacular to share with you guys. Okay, and also if you have watched any of the video on this channel and you found it to be very very meaningful and useful, do not hesitate to like and share with your friends and family. As you can see on my screen, this is Spell Wallet. Spell Wallet. This is another wonderful crypto project that is now trending. Spell Wallet is a wonderful crypto opportunity that I think you can't afford to lose. So there are several things for you to know. There are several things that you need to know about Spell Wallet. The first thing is that the cost. There are some challenges. There are some case. There are some tasks that you need to fulfill here so that you can earn more in this project. So we have the Watch Spell Wallet podcast. So this is a YouTube video for you to watch to earn a particular number of tokens for yourself. The 2024 wrap up, you need to follow them on X platform, follow Spell Wallet on Instagram, follow Spell Wallet on TikTok, follow Spell Wallet on LinkedIn, refer tournaments like Retweet, Daily Puzzle, create NPC wallets, like and RT and retweet our staking announcements, invite friends, and the rest. So these are the things that you are supposed to do under the test session of Spell Wallet. And also, Spell Wallet, it also has its own internal wallet, whereby your token will be transferred to by the time it is being distributed. And also the NFT section, the non-fungible token section, is also there that you can also benefit from by the time it it starts. All right, and also the friend section is here. You can invite your friends so that you can earn more of this token. Let them know about this wonderful opportunity, and don't be discouraged, and neither discourage anybody for participating into any crypto project airdrop, because many of us, or let me say that majority of people doing this thing, by the time it's been listed, I'm talking about some past crypto projects, people felt to be somehow disappointed because what they were expecting, what they were given, doesn't meet up with their expectation, or the token that was listed, it amounts to dust after some time. But I want you to know that in cryptocurrency, anything can happen. You shouldn't judge what is happening right now by the past experience. So you can earn more in cryptocurrency, but you don't need to relent. You don't need to relent. And besides, you are not paying for all these things. Though time is money, your data is also worthy of the time. And you shouldn't say that because some project failed in the past that you are not going to participate in the present or the current one. So this is an opportunity for you to also stand up and dust your feet and to continue in the world of cryptocurrency. I assure you that you can make money in crypto, but you don't need to be weary, and you need to be very, very intentional. You need to be very, very consistent when it comes to crypto mining. All right, so back to the home page, you can see I now have 7.85, and this I have activated the auto claim. I have activated the auto claim, which will be active for 24 hours, while the boost will be active for just 6 hours, as you can see. So by the time you start yours, these are the first two things that you need to consider: the auto claim and the boost. So the auto claim is once in a day, that is once in 24 hours, while the boost is once in 6 hours. So you need to come here every 6 hours to reactivate your your boosting power. Okay, so that's all about that. About And you can also be tapping. By the time you are tapping, it gives you more, it gives you more and more and more. So that is how it goes. If you have any question concerning this video or concerning anything about spare wallet, feel free to let me know through the comment section of this video. You can also chat me up on WhatsApp. I'm going to reply to your messages as soon as possible. Okay, till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead, and bye for now. I love you all.